Namaste. This is your astrologer Gopala Krishnan or Guru Krishnan. See, many people want to have a love marriage. They wanted to get married in spite of their parents' wishes. They find it very difficult to take the final step. The reason is the parents take them to an astrologer and ask them to match the horoscope. When they match the horoscope, they find some kind of a dosha, some kind of a remedy which cannot be done. So they tell you cannot get married to the person. Therefore, the first important thing is the astrologer normally takes the side of the parents. He is not very objective like the allopathy doctor. He tries to induce his own opinion, his own idea into it across the person. So you have to be careful. So in case you are going to get married, you want to have a very, very objective person who is very, very reputed in giving advice without any compromise. You can always call on us and subscribe to us. We have two packages. One package is the basic matchmaking. The other one is a detailed analysis, which is little expensive, which will help you to tell whether the person whom you are going to get married, the characteristic, whether they will have baby, how will be their work, how will be their money, how will be the communication, personality, all that which will be detailed to be analysis to you, which will be given to you. So basically, many people, they want a very reliable source of matchmaking, then you can do it on us. But suppose there is some complication of dosha, you can always use our remedial services which will help you to clear the dosha. For example, you have Kuda dosha, you have the Rahu Ketu dosha, you have the Sarpa dosha, you have the Kala Sarpa dosha, or any other dosha will help you to remove all that using the remedial measure. The next step, which is very, very important, is the time of the Muhurta. Suppose you are having a love marriage, you want to get married in a good time, then call on us. You need not worry, we will fix the time of the marriage and we will give it to you, which will help you to have a very, very happy married life. Also, some people will have the, will say the Ruju is not there. Like that kind of a complicated problem, we do have a remedial measure. There was a person who had Ruju, which was very, very difficult, but we asked him to perform the Ayushomam every year, which helped him to avoid the Ruju dosha. Or if the 8th Lord is very, very strong, you need not worry about the Ruju dosha. Like that, we would bring you an innovative solution which will help you to fulfill your desire very easily without having any major compromise. But suppose the horoscope is very, very afflicted, then we ask the guys to get remarried every year. Instead of one man or a woman getting married to many women, or a man, the same man and woman can get married again and again, which will help them to remove the dosha across as a person. Therefore, you can help yourself, and we are very, very reliable, we are experienced, we have been in this field for more than 20 years, we have helped many people across in this particular type of dosha situation. Especially love marriage, many couples find it very difficult to let go of the partner because the heart is merged, but they find it very difficult. I know one person who had Mars, Venus and Rahu together, very against. I told him, no, your daughter will have love marriage and also it will be away from your religion, and I think you learn to better to accept it. So most parents find it very difficult, especially in a very, very conservative society. Please don't worry. And also, if you have fallen in love, you are to a foreigner, or you can get married in a very, very good time, which will help you to have a peaceful married life. There was a lady who fell in love with a UK person, and that is UK citizenship, and they got him married in a good time, and the married life is happy. One need not worry. So these are variety of options which are available for you. You can definitely help yourself in this difficult situation using remedial measure. Keep watching the YouTube videos. Thank you.